Here's how to see all your liked YouTube videos within a few taps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on You. Then tap on the Playlists option. Just below, tap on the Liked Videos folder. Here you can see all your liked videos. If you don't find this, go back to your profile page. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open YouTube settings. Now look below and tap on Your Data in YouTube. Now scroll down till you reach the YouTube Watch History section. Under that, tap on Manage Your YouTube Watch History. Look at the top section and tap on the Interactions tab. Here under Video Interactions, you'll see the Video Likes and Dislikes option. Tap on it. Now you can see every single video you've liked on YouTube. And that's it.